Today is a very special day. We are on our way to a Christmas market, which means one thing. We had to stop for Starbucks. I'm trying the toasted white mocha. Courtney has the classic peppermint mocha. We've already taken debates on if mine even has espresso in it, but I think it does. Either way, we've already had coffee today, obviously. These were also so pretty that we had to take pictures of them while we were still at Starbucks. But now at least we're on the road. We're headed specifically to the Christmas market in Carmel, Indiana. Neither of us have been there before, but it looks pretty legit, so I'm excited to see it. We're also going to be filming a video for my travel channel, Laura on the Move, so there's going to be a lot of things that we need to do and check out, and really this is just like behind the scenes. It is a crisp 29 degrees today and it's not very sunny, but it was a good excuse for us to get our snow gear out. We have our snow boots on and I have my scarf, winter jacket, all things that we haven't worn since we were in Alaska last year for the Iditarod. This might not be as exciting, but at least it's a shorter travel day. It is cold. We're ready. We've already said it'd be okay without the wind at least twice. This is a traditional German Christmas market, so there's gonna be music, dancing, ice skating, and food. Did we drive 2 hours just to try new food? Yes. That's the line just for raclette sandwiches, which we are getting, but not first.
Were you dancing in the background?
I was dancing. Just to stay warm.
Go back to the replay of that.
Yeah, just to stay warm. The actual first stop. So I've actually been to one other Christmas market, and it was when I was in Paris a few years ago. It was actually along the Champs-Élysées. Yeah, so Courtney took French. It was along that road in Paris, and it was so cool. I totally wimped out on buying food. The only thing I ended up getting were churros. So good.
Churros is the only thing you really need.
Yeah, in France at a Christmas market when they're Spanish, you know, it's fine. But I feel like I can fix all of my Christmas market dreams today here. I just saw Courtney's face as she realized what we're getting. She's officially excited. Do you want to reenact it?
Thank you. That's amazing.
Pace for you and not trying to be anxious about how long the line is. Yeah, sort of thing. Yep. It's gonna be there regardless whether you want it to be or not. So what
Hi,
comes on
just-
You're too busy, it's okay.
Yeah, I know.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Do your
Oh, there's
thing.
gonna be more.
What do you got?
Just
Jumbo?
ham, yeah.
Everything on it?
Nothing, just the ham and cheese.
No problem. I don't
Thanks.
care.
You don't
I
care
really
at all.
care. It's your raclette. Do what you want.
Pretty.
Oh, it's different. Oh, yeah.
GoPro action.
I'll scrape up
Look at those
here.
angles, that fisheye lens.
What is that?
At least we only
It's
have
like
one.
snowboarding.
What is that?
It's a GoPro.
Oh, hi there. How are you?
Oh, so ready.
And the thing is, people order ham sometimes they expect like maybe like an Oscar higher. You know, they don't really know what to expect. Right. So I saw the quality. I'm like, oh, so yeah. So, everything on this? Might as well, right? We're excited for you guys.
Not today. Thank you. Thanks. It smells like hot socks over there for sure, but I've heard it always tastes better than it smells.
Turn it.
It's so good. You have to try it while it's still warm.
Going for it.
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna be a sandwich that we're dreaming about until the next Christmas market, and I completely understand why there's a line. Can I try a cashew and an almond? But not a pecan.
There's a reason.
Videoing all of this for? I have a YouTube channel. Look at you. Hey, fun. Yeah, it is. So we're just getting all the food, really.
What do you think?
How big is the? They're so good. How big are each of them? Like you gotta. Oh, it's up here. Let's do a half of the almond.
Half of the almonds?
I really got these to go home, but they're still warm, so it'd be a shame to waste that. Oh my gosh. Let me try one. Just one of my favorite things. Eventually they'll make it into the book bag. This is the spot. The Shaw of the day.
Hold on.
Pro that brat now,
Yes. Oh yeah.
got it. I like the plainness of it. Less is more,
Yeah,
right?
right?
Less is more. I get you. I see you both.
That's exactly what we wanted. Perfect traditional bratwurst. Thank you. Oh no, I can do it. There we go. Thank you very much. You maybe don't want your. Do you want a picture?
I do want a picture. How did you move that fast?
Courtney picked cranberry, but she can't try it first because she doesn't like really hot beverages. I'll have to go. Whoa. It's mulled wine, so it has all of the spices in it, and immediately makes it seem like there's twice as much alcohol.
That's not creepy.
Get out of here! Don't call me creepy. How's your wine?
What's through my nose?
It is really strong, but I assume it's just wine. I don't know. Walking in a winter wonderland. 1 cup of mulled wine or 2 sips.
We're not hurry. Wait, that one.
Two sips into a mulled wine and we're ready to buy more food. Courtney just over here freezing while I get the shot. It's a Kartoffelspieß. Kartoffelspieß. One potato stick thing. How do you say it?
Kartoffelspieß.
Kartoffelspieß. Kartoffelspieß.
Kartoffelspieß.
Kartoffelspieß. I can't believe we almost came to a German market without eating a potato. How is it so over my head? First of all, after 2 seconds of being outside, it is freezing cold. I'm eating a popsicle fried potato. Oh, it's so good. As you would expect, it tastes like the fried chips that you get at the carnival. It's very good. Lightly salted, perfectly fried. It's actually our last adventure of 2022.
Still on 2020.
It's the longest year ever. I know. We have the sweetest, most alcohol wine and the coldest potatoes. I did think these would be a little warm, but there's no chance they could hold their heat. I can't even eat them. We are full and frozen, and I just finished the wine really fast. It's time to go. Although Courtney did say that we do have to go to IKEA because we're down here, but at least IKEA's inside. But it's the weekend before Christmas, so I will question her judgment. We'll see how it goes. It's okay now. What? What are you doing? Why are you still on the camera? Here. What are you trying to get behind the scenes? Behind the scenes? Yeah. How did they get out? Oh, I got in. Why did you have so much trouble? That was colder than I expected. Awesome. We actually ended up deciding against going to IKEA because it's getting dark, it's snowing, and we're just ready to be home. But on our drive home, I did ask her if she had a favorite food at the market, and she chose the raclette sandwich, which is fair. I agree that it was very good, but I think my favorite was the brat. Yeah.
The brat was pretty good.
The brat was pretty good. I'm also really happy that we grabbed a beer to drink with the raclette sandwich because that was the perfect combination. And the mulled wine was so much better than I expected. It also was just a really neat Christmas market. It's fun that it was its own little secluded area, and they really went for it. Like, that was pretty authentic. I think by the end, the cold was just starting to get to us. But that does it for today. If you want to see our full review of all of the food, make sure you head over to Laura on the Move and check out that video. Thanks for following along. I'll see you tomorrow morning.